Hey everyone, today I upgraded my RK920 with these keycaps that are water themed and I find them really nice. So today I'm going to be removing all the keycaps from the RK920 and putting these on. I hope you enjoy this video. Also, if you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel will be around keyboard related tech and also a ton of gaming. I will be posting some Minecraft videos soon, so stay tuned for that. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and if you could, hit that bell so you can be notified when my next video comes out. And here's a sound test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you really liked it, then make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.